Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to my new viewers. My name is Annie Krieger. Today I bring you my oven grilled tilapia recipe. So stay back and enjoy watching. All the ingredients for this recipe will be found in the description box, guys. First to start with is my marinade. So I am going to go ahead and clean up my bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and then garlic cloves and ginger, basil, and then use my food processor to give it a mix. I don't know how you wish to have yours, but I really like it rough, not that smooth. And then this is what it looks like. I'm still going to give it a mix once, and yeah, that will be fine. So at this point I am just okay. The texture is not too smooth. This is how I love to have it. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce some oil in my preheated pan, and then next is my pepper mix. Stir fry and then season with some paprika powder. Cover up to simmer for about 8 minutes while we come back to check on it. It's 8 minutes past. This is what my fish marinade looks like. It's almost dried up from any liquid. I'm going to season now with some salt and vegetable powder and then cover up to simmer up for about 5 minutes again. Next step is fish. Today I've got 1 sea bream and 2 tilapia fish. I am going to give it a cut. This is just to allow the marinade to penetrate more better on this fish, to get this yummy taste all over the fish. And then we've got 3 rules of fish, mostly when it's whole fish like this. First one is to clean it, take off anything inside the fish. And then the second step, the second rule, is to saute your fish. And the third rule is acidulate. You can use lemon or any vinegar of your choice to acidulate your whole fish. Whole fish, I mean this whole fish, not like fillet. And I don't know why it's called, but it's so. So third one, acidulate. I am not going for the seed, so get out. Sorry to say, bad word. And my marinade is all well dried up of liquid. I am going to generously marinate my fish. Like guys, if I tell you I know how many times I've gone for this marinade when it comes to this tilapia fish, it's a lie. Like I keep coming back for it. I don't know why, because it's like it's made for this fish, this marinade. The ginger, the garlic, the everything. You can add any herbs of your choice to make this marinade. So it's so delicious. So give it a try. Look at how much marinade I pumped on this fish. Yeah, you should pump marinade. Yeah. And on the my baking sheet, I have covered with some paper foil, and then I'm going to cover up my fish with aluminum foil. The aluminum foil will prevent this fish from taking too much heat, while your fish will still very soft. I'm going to grill for about 25 minutes on an 160 degrees C while I prep my plantain to peel with this behind the camera. It's been 25 minutes. I'm going to bring out just to flip to the other side and then also add some marinades too. Isn't this looking good? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? It's well soft. I love to have my fish soft for real. I'm still going to add in small marinade. And then we're going to continue to grill for about 20 minutes on an 150 degrees C this time. We need no pressure of heat because we're not going to cover anymore with any aluminum foil. All we need is just this a touch of browning and a little bit of crunching on the skin, and that's it. I added some rosemary for a powerful flavor. Next is my pepper sauce. I just added some onions, stir fry. I will be ready to plate. Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. We are almost through to go. I want to say thank you to my return subscribers for always tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, please subscribe to this channel for more video. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. This is the finished look of this fish. It's so soft and the taste is amazing with plantain. I've done this before. I dished with the Irish potato several times. So thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to leave your like. Please just don't go without liking this video, I beg you. So like and leave your comment down below. See you in my next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.